Hi, we are making today geography of physical geography of world. In physical geography, the the 7 continents are there. Which are those? The North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe, and Australia, and the Antarctica South. There is no habitation. We consider only six continents. The biggest continent is Asia. Asia, and the second biggest in physical is the Africa, and the highest population in present is Asia. In that, the highest population of is some countries, India. India 1.4 billion population is present data. The highest square area continents. The first is highest area is Asia. Second highest area covers Africa. Third is South America. Fourth, Europe, and fifth is Australia. And the highest covering area countries were first country is Russia, highest geographical area. Second is the USA, and third highest area in China, and fourth is Brazil. Fifth is Australia, and sixth is seventh is the India.